everyone, this is another video on the discord.py rewrite tutorial, and today we are going to finally create a command. And today's command is going to be the Dank Emojify command. I'm pretty sure you guys know about this command. It's very popular among many servers since Dank is itself popular. So today we are going to replicate that Emojify command in our bot. So let's start. So just like our previous one, we are going to create a client.command decorator so that we can say our code that yes, now we are creating a command for our bot. Then an async function emojify and then ctx, and then and before the text we are going to put an asterisk, because if we don't put asterisk, then let's say you put some text like hello world, then this is not going to print. It's only going to show hello in the emoji way. And if you want to show all those, then you have to put quotation mark. But if you have the asterisk, then all the words, then all the strings after the ctx is going as insertion. So we are going to put asterisk and then semicolon, and now we are going to create an emojis list, or its array, whatever you want to call it. Now we are going to iterate through all of our letters in the text for every s in text. By the way, s is just string. You can put anything you want. I'm just going to put s. And then we are going to create three parameters. One is to determine if the text is number or not. So if s is decimal, so basically decimal is from every digit 0 to 9. Now we are going to create a dictionary, which is num to emo, and then we are going to create a dictionary. So first we're going to put 1, and the key is 1 and the value is 1. Just for general information, in order to put the 1 emoji in your Discord, so you have to write colon and then 1 and then colon, so that you put 1. Just like that. If you could get 2, then you get 2. So it's like that. So taking that theory, we are going to put numeric 1 to letter 1, just like, and then we are going to repeat it. Actually, you can also give 0. So let's give 0 too. Yes, okay. So now we are going to, and now you have to do it until you reach 9. So we are going to skip this part. All right, so we have finished our dictionary with all the keys that we need, and now we are going to do other stuffs. So if our s is a decimal number, we are going to append in the emojis list, we are going to append num to emo dot get, and now we are going to put a key, which is s. If you know, s is the key. S is just any number 0 3 1 4, and then after we do get, we are going to get the value of the corresponding key, so which is why we have created this dictionary. Now we have appended this. Now one thing you should remember, that we just can't do 0, and we have to also give we have to also give semicolons as a string. So let's see how to do that. Sorry. So let's create an f string to fix this problem. We are going to, sorry, and then we're going to put brackets so that this is only the variable or any value, and then we're going to put a semicolon, no, sorry, we're going to put a colon and then a colon right here. So we are going to get output as 0, just like this. If we haven't done that, then we would just get this and it wouldn't have turned into an emoji. So now we have done this. Now we have finished our work for the numeric stuffs. Now we will go for the actual letter stuffs. Before we actually go for the letter stuffs, you need to remember that how we get it. So first two columns, and then we do regional indicator, and you can see already many letters came, and then the anything means any letter, and then you get the emojified one. So for this one we are going to do else, no sorry, elif. Elif is just a middle of if and else. So s, so if, so another else if. S is alpha, so basically it's an alphabet. Then we don't actually need to create a dictionary like we did for number. We can just give emojis dot append another f string, sorry, and then we are going to write regional indicator and then our character, yes, and then we're just going to put two columns, and that's the stuff you have that's the stuff you have to do for that one. And then the emojis that do not exist in Discord, such as basically any punctuation symbols that doesn't exist in Discord, means the emoji one. Then we're going to give else emojis dot append s, because we don't have any emoji of that, so it's just the text. Okay, so now we have finished our process. Now we're just going to print it, means basically await and send it. So now we have to give join, sorry, to give join, basically because all of those are still as list, we have to create them as string, and emojis, sorry, emojis, and this is the code we need. So let's actually run it. The one thing I forgot to mention is that you need to actually give dot lower, because sometimes your user is going to give hello instead of hello, so you need to turn the hello into h by doing dot lower, so basically it's more easier. So now again we are going to run it, we're going to rerun it. Now let's run it. Emojify hello world. Yep, perfect. And now you may see in the Dank Memer one, if you give hello world, you're going to have certain spaces. If you just want to give spaces, which I'm pretty sure you know many people don't want to, you can just give anything, you can just put space in the join, but I rather not give the join, I rather not give it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. In our next video we are going to create another command by mimicking another popular bots command, so that we can learn how they work and learn more about Discord.py in general. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and goodbye.